birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health. More years to celebrate. Thank you for being a friend, a mother to us. Sayang, wala po ako. Wala din si Ato sa birthday mo. But we are very grateful that you came us to our lives. So, thank you so much. And again, happy birthday. We love you.
Hello, Abay Ilan. Naku po. Budang saya. 70 years old na. Napaka malaking pasasalamat sa ating Panginoon Diyos at tayo nakakarating ng 70 years old. Ay mag-enjoy lang sa buhay. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo, sana humaba pa ng mahaba ang buhay. At tayo'y maging malakas pa at magkaroon pa ng maraming pagkakataon magkasama-sama. Oh, sige. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello, Maring Ila. It will be your birthday tomorrow or today. Babatiin ka namin ng isang masaya at maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday to you. Sana lahat ng hiling mo o request mo sa buhay ay magkaroon ng katuparan kasama ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay. The family. Yung husband mo, yung mga anak mo, at ang iba pang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mane!
Happy birthday, Tita Ila. Wishing you a happy birthday, good health, and more blessings to come. God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Presi!
We would like you to know how exceptionally delighted and happy we are for you to have reached your 70th year. May this occasion serve not only as a celebration of your life, but also as a reflection sa lahat ng kabutihan na idulot mo sa aming lahat at sa lahat ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo.
Know that you are deeply and truly loved and appreciated, Tita, and today is a perfect time to honor how wonderful person you are inside and out.
Dalangin namin at hiling ang iyong mabuting kalusugan at mahabang buhay, kasama ang lubos na kaligayahan at pagmamahal.
We love you, Tita! Happy birthday!
Sister, happy birthday. Wishing you a good health, more birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy lang kayo dyan. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Lola.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Hello, Mama. Happy birthday. And lagi mong alagay sarili mo at lagi kang stay healthy and laging beautiful.
Enjoy life.
Enjoy life. Always enjoy life.
Well, enjoy the party. I hope you like it. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Wish ko marami pang birthday na dumating sa iyo at malusog ng pangangatawan. I love you. Salamat sa iyo, Mama, sa lahat. Enjoy mo ang iyong special na kaarawan ngayon. Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Mama, happy birthday. Enjoy your day today. Sana na-surprise ka namin. We wish lang namin magkakapatid sa'yo is always good health, many more blessings to come, and many more years to celebrate yung birthday mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Alam mo na yon. Basta palagi niyo tatandaan ni Papa, nandito lang kami palagi mga anak ninyo para sa inyo. At ang hiling lang namin yung palagi kayong ligtas at malayo sa anumang sakit o karamdaman. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Enjoy your day, at higit sa lahat, take ko na yung opportunity na to na magpasalamat kay Ate Bioli and Kuya Romel sa mga punong abala sa iyong karawan, si Bel tsaka si Ate Bioli. Maraming salamat na kahit wala kami dyan, nairaos ng maayos yung kaarawan. At sana na-surprise ka sa mga munti naming handog bilang iyong anak. Isang munting pasasalamat. At ang hiling lang namin maging masaya ka ngayong araw na to at sa mga susunod na araw pa. Happy birthday muli and enjoy your day.